If you need to download multiple files from Google Drive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to download just a few files and also how to download everything at once if you need the full folder or drive contents. This is a simple Google Drive trick that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're organizing school files, work documents, photos, or project folders. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll see your files and folders in the main area. If you only want to download a few files, this is the easiest method. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard if you're on Windows or Command if you're using a Mac, then click each file you want to select. You'll notice the files become highlighted as you choose them. After that, look at the top menu and click the download icon. Google Drive will bundle those selected files and start downloading them to your computer. If you want to download all the files in a folder or select everything currently visible, there's an even faster method. Click any file once to make sure Drive is active, then press Ctrl A on your keyboard. On Mac, you can use Command A. This will select all the files in the current view. Once everything is selected, click the download icon at the top just like before. Google Drive will prepare the files and download them as a compressed zip file, which you can open on your computer after the download finishes. If Google Drive asks for permission or takes a moment to prepare the files, that's completely normal, especially when you're downloading a lot of items at once. Just wait for the process to finish. If you're working with a very large number of files, the download may take a little longer depending on your internet speed and file size. Once it's done, you can find the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder and extract it to access everything inside. A quick tip here. If you only need a specific group of files, selecting them manually is usually better than downloading everything. That way you save time and storage space on your device. But if you need the entire folder, Ctrl A is the quickest option. Either way, the process is simple, free, and built right into Google Drive. And that's it. Now you know how to download multiple files from Google Drive, whether it's just a few files or everything at once. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.